Welcome to 10248 Andante Court, ideally situated in the cul-de-sac in the prestige guard-gated Siena community in Summerlin. This street offers added privacy, minimal traffic, and a true sense of neighborhood charm. Manicured landscaping, wide sidewalks, and beautiful curb appeal make it perfect for evening strolls or greeting friendly neighbors. Its tranquil setting and complements the elegance of the lifestyle Siena is known for. Join me as we tour this spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offering 2,777 square feet of living space and the 3-car garage complete with a dedicated bay designed for a golf court. Nestled on an oversized 11,326 square foot lot, this property combines comfort, function, and room to enjoy both inside and out. Come into an open concept living area with large windows and sliding glass doors offering expansive views of a lush golf course. The interior features neutral colored tile flooring throughout, light taupe walls, and white baseboards and crown moldings that add a polished touch. There are 2 ceiling fans with light fixtures. The room is brightly lit with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The agricultural cutouts and columns subtly define the spaces without closing off the layout, enhancing the home's flow and openness. Welcome to the kitchen, featuring a large island with a gas cooktop, granite countertops, and tons of cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances, including a double oven and fridge, make it perfect for cooking and entertaining. The open layout flows right into the dining area and living room area for easy hosting. The dining area offers a flexible space that is perfect for a home office or study area, complete with built-in cabinets and a desk. Let's walk down the hallway to the primary bedroom. Step inside this spacious primary suite featuring a cozy bay window sitting area, plush carpet, and private patio access with stunning golf course views. The attached bathroom offers a luxurious soaking tub, separate walk-in shower, and dual vanities with a built-in makeup area. You'll also find 2 walk-in closets, great for keeping everything organized and easy to access. A truly serene retreat to unwind at the end of the day. The spacious walk-in shower is part of the primary suite and features clean, modern finishes with a glass enclosure, built-in shelving, and convenient built-in bench, perfect for comfort and ease. Natural light flows in from above, creating a bright and relaxing space that pairs beautifully with the adjacent soaking tub. As we walk down the hallway towards the additional rooms, you'll first notice a coat closet on the right, perfect for extra storage. Just past that is the guest powder room, featuring a clean, simple design with a pedestal sink and modern fixtures, conveniently located for guests and everyday use. Just down the hall, you'll find a bright corridor lined with windows that bring in plenty of natural light. This leads to the secondary bedroom with its own bath. Perfect for guest or multi-generational living, the thoughtful layout provides both privacy and comfort throughout the home. The bedroom features neutral tones, crown molding, carpet throughout, and a walk-in closet. The frosted window allows for privacy while letting in plenty of natural light, perfect for guests. This guest bathroom is both spacious and functional, featuring dual sinks, a large vanity with plenty of storage, and a walk-in shower. Natural light flows in through the windows above, and natural tones make it easy to add your personal touch. Perfect for accommodating visitors or additional household members with comfort and ease. This third bedroom offers a bright and inviting space with multiple windows that fill the room with natural light, ideal for a home office or even a craft room. The corner layout adds a unique touch of character to the room. Just outside is a spacious linen closet. Now that we've toured inside of the home, let's step outside into your backyard, where you're greeted with a breathtaking, unobstructed view of the Siena golf course. With no rear neighbors, you can enjoy your morning's golden sunset and watch the golfers play as you sip your morning coffee. Low-maintenance desert landscaping lets you take in the lush fairways and mountain views without interruption. This is Las Vegas outdoor living at its finest. Taking a tour of all the amenities that this amazing community offers. So amazing. You can come in, have coffee here for the residents, water, decaf, regular, coffee. They also have a military veterans wall of honor, which is really nice, a billiards room. This community has so much to offer. A computer room, ceramics room, you have the different clubs that are in here as well, like the swimming club. They have a painting room. They have their own private library with a beautiful view that looks over the lake and golf course. Here's a better view of the game room. Chanting room. Running room. We got ballrooms, restrooms, a music room, Milano room, Torino room, Palermo room. Oh, and look at the view on that. What great views of the little lakes and the golf course. So beautiful. Oh, and the little water fountain. Multiple entrances into the community center. Genova room, Verona room, and Aroma room. They even have a trail directory here. This is the fitness center, and you can see that they have like different activities to do. even have hair, nail, skincare, waxing, massages that you can book. This is inside the salon. And on the other side, they do have a pedicure nail station. Indoor pool. Some tennis courts outside. You got the tennis court over here by the pool. You got quite a few tennis courts. Pickleball. Inside the fitness center is an exercise room. A little stretch center here. They have a laundry room, ladies' locker room with a steam room. Let's make our way to the Siena Golf Club, one of the premier active adult destinations in Las Vegas. This beautifully maintained 18-hole championship golf course offers sweeping views of the Spring Mountains and a serene desert landscaping designed to challenge and inspire players of all levels. Just steps away, you'll find the Siena Golf Club gift shop, where you can browse a curated selection of golf apparel, accessories, and unique Siena branded merchandise. Whether you're grabbing a last-minute gift or updating your gear, the shop has everything you need to stay stylish on and off the course. After a round of golf, residents and guests can unwind at Siena Bistro, on the on-site restaurant offering indoor and patio dining with great golf course views. Enjoy a fresh seasonal menu for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. All in warm, friendly atmosphere, perfect for socializing with neighbors and friends. I'm getting the salmon, so it does come with this side. I got a Caesar salad. It could come with a salad or a house soup. And they also brought out some fresh rolls for me. Salmon just came out, and look how beautiful this is. For the chocolate lava cake, and look at that. Look at that lava coming down. Delicious. This is inside their bathroom. Nice and clean. They do have an ATM machine. So I just got out of the dance, and while I was eating at the restaurant, one of the residents said I should go check out the live band that they were having, and I thought I'd just be in and out checking it. And when I went in there, seeing everybody dance and all the good music that they have, what a great experience. They had popcorn, a bar, I mean a real live band playing such great music, and seeing everybody get up and dance and just have a great time was so amazing. I stood like longer than I thought, and wow, what a great experience. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the beautiful guard-gated Siena community. I hope you enjoyed exploring all that this incredible community has to offer. If you're looking to buy, sell, rent, invest, or need your home professionally managed, I'm here to help you every single step of the way. Feel free to reach out anytime. I'm Erica Macias, Realtor and Property Manager, and see you in the next video.